Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fold the box folding template. The first thing we're going to do is cut out the square. Then we're going to go ahead and put pattern side down and match up the corner with my watermark with the opposite side and fold along line 1. Then we're going to match up these two small points, and you'll notice I use my fingernail in the middle as I do to help me get a point, and fold along line 2. And then we're going to go ahead and turn pattern side down again, and I'll use my fingernail down here to get a crease to help me get a good point as I fold up along line 3. Then we're going to unfold 3, and then I'm going to use my fingernail here again at the point. I'm dividing this bottom point into thirds, and then I'm going to tug on these ears at the top. Help me as I line this up in the fold and fold along line 4. And then we're going to refold 3, and as we're refolding 3 we have to recognize that we're making it go over 4 additional layers of paper for a total of 12 layers of paper, so we need to make sure that we have some good creases. And there we go, we're ready to start cutting.